Hi, I'm Eric with Stellar. I'm a project manager for the Syracuse location, and we're doing a partial here today. We have a couple different issues. There's no soffit ventilation, so there's no convection. The heat can't escape, so it just marinates in the roof and it reduces the life of the roof. So we're gonna be adding some 3-inch pucks in there, and we're gonna be adding ridge vents, and they had some moldy decking, which we're gonna be replacing as well, about 20 sheets. And as you can see behind me, there's a lot of older boards up there. So the process is we take those down, replace accordingly. So installing the new wood is going to create a solid nailing surface for the ice and water, the underlayment, and the new shingles. Otherwise, we don't have a solid structure to be able to nail down to. And then in this case, we're actually doing baffles as well to help with the airflow for the soffits that are being introduced where there wasn't any before. What the baffles do is create a pocket to allow air to flow up through after proper soffits are created. Hot air pulls in cool air. So the cool air comes in through the soffits, up behind where the baffle opening is, and then up out of the ridge vent. That's the convection created by doing that. New roof starts with installment of the drip edge, followed by a starter strip on one corner. They build their first book, and then they lay down each row from there accordingly all the way up to the corner. So it's an increasing layer system, so nothing can get underneath it. Another Stellar job going to be completed here in Fayetteville today by Stellar Roofing.